What are the lifecycle hooks in the Vue.js? So lifecycle hooks are a specific functions that are used to track the different stages of a component. So now question arises, what is component? Component is a page in a Vue.js. So currently we have one page, and if we want to perform different operations like when this page is rendered, when this page is updated, so these are different kinds of stages. Vue.js consider them as a live hooks, right? We have several live hooks. Very first one is created. It's represent that when component is created, mounted, when component is rendered in the DOM, updated, destroyed, right? And we have various functions with them, right? So we are also going to explore them, right? Like created, so before create, updated, before update, and so on. So first, if you want to define a mounted, if you want to define the lifecycle hook, you need to go here. After that, data or whatever the property, you need to first close that. If you are using the methods, so you need to place them after the method here, right? So currently we don't have methods, so we are going to place them here. We can place them in any of the place, but make sure it should be outside of our data or our methods or computed and so on. Okay, so I'm going to define the live hooks, and it will be same as we are using the functions, right? Okay, created, and then here I have passed this. I'm not assigning any name, just its name is default created. Component is created, something like this. Let me spell it correctly. Give it a save and go back to the web browser, and you can see this in the control. Let's get refresh, and you can see this now. It's running. Component is created. It's a state when our component is created. So we can track here if we want to initialize an API, so we can initialize it here. Or there is another event, which is if we want to execute it before our component is created. So it's a before create, not created. Okay, and you can copy the same message here with a bit different. Before, you can add here before, just before component is created. So this will be execute first, and this will be execute to the end, right? Even its order is bit different. We have added this before created in the bottom, but still it will be executed first before component is created and component is created. So this is called when our component is not created. It's in the state where our component is not properly created, so we can track that thing, right? And when our component is created, it will be called here. So we can perform certain operations here, like send API request to, or set some default values or something like this. Okay, these are two lifecycle hooks, and other is mounted, right? This one, mounted. So you can paste this out. Component is mounted. Let's get refresh, and yes, you can see this component is mounted. So this mounted is used to render our component. If you want to let's say this one is created, and it will be created only once in a when component is rendered, right? If you are updating your component, it will not be used, right? If you want to update your values, right, you need to use this mounted, right? So then this mounted will be used to track that. And if you want to execute that before the mount, so similarly you can call this before mount, something like this. Okay, it's a before component is mounted, something like this. Let's get refresh, and before component is mounted. So you can see the difference. We can execute this before our component is mounted. And the last one is destroyed. So destroyed, something like this, and here you can add the message component is destroyed, but this will not be called right now because we are not destroying our component. So it will be executed when our component is destroyed. So currently it's created and mounted but not destroying, right? So this will be called in that time. And we can also call here before destroy, something like this, and this will be called, right? So these before, let me add the before here, before component is destroyed. Okay, these are the different you can say that these are different states which Vue.js consider them as a live hooks, right? So these are live hooks where we can perform certain operations when our component is being created, when our component is being updated, when our component is being destroyed, when it's before created, when it's before mounted, and so on things, right? So this is a topic about lifecycle hooks, and in the later videos we will explore this more when we are implementing our project. So we are going to send the request to the API, setting some default values, updating some DOM, and so on things. Basically this created is used to create the component, called on the creation of the component. This is used to when our component is added in the DOM, and this one is when our component is removed from the DOM or unmoved from them. So thank you so much guys for watching the video, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.